a little-known place that exceeds expectations. An immersion in untouched nature with all its sights, sounds, smells and flavours. The Frames is luxury accommodation meets rustic hospitality with unique experiences, run and owned by third-generation locals Rick and Kathy. The curved architecture belies the spaciousness within and creates absolute privacy between 3 unique villas. You can enjoy a massage, a swim in the private pool, or relax in your own spa or sauna. The river beckons with its gentle flow, pulling you outside through expansive window frames. Cruise the river in a purpose-built boat, cosily navigating estuaries filled with flora and abundant wildlife, all the while learning about the importance of this life-giving waterway. Feel reconnected to something bigger and let the water soothe your soul and nourish your body in a bush restaurant made just for you. Expand your knowledge of the history of our first people and their stories written into the land. Create memorable moments on the restored gondola. Meet the proud local growers and producers on a chauffeured, mouth-watering flavour safari. Or enjoy a Brazilian barbecue while glamping in the secluded Australian bush. Each experience is personalised and exclusive, all run by local guides whose passion is infectious. With Kathy's attention to detail and Rick's inexhaustible knowledge of the area, your clients will be brimming with tales from this best-kept secret. Reframe the Australian experience and share the Frames with the world.